Vivo launched the Y28 in January with the Dimensity 6020 SoC, and today, the brand unveiled its successor, powered by the Dimensity 6300 chip. The Vivo Y29 runs Android 14-based FunTouch OS 14 out of the box and comes with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage on board, expandable by up to 1 TB. The Vivo Y29 is built around a 6.68-inch 120Hz HD Plus LCD with a 1000 nits peak brightness and 264 ppi pixel density. The screen also has a centered punch hole for the 8MP selfie camera. Around the back, you get a 50MP primary camera, joined by a 0.08MP unit and flash. There's also a ring light that flashes different colors for reminders and during music playback. Keeping the Vivo Y29 fueled is a 5,500 mAh battery with 44W charging support. Other highlights of the phone include an IP64 rating, mAh STD, 810H certification, dual speakers, 5G connectivity, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Vivo Y29 comes in glacier blue, titanium gold, and diamond black colors and is already on sale in India through Vivo's Indian website. It has 4 memory options: 4GB per 128GB, 6GB per 128GB, 8GB per 128GB, and 8GB per 256GB, priced at 13,999 Indian rupees, $165/€160. 15,499 Indian rupees, $180/€175, 16,999 Indian rupees, $200/€190, and 18,999 Indian rupees, $225/€215, respectively.